Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the KKW Beauty Body Foundation that I ordered a couple pieces of. I guess I'll call it pieces. So got it a while ago and haven't unboxed it yet. So here we go. This, I want to try it out too. I'm not sure if I'm going to try it out today or not. But so it says KKW Beauty on the inside of the box. You can see that. Looks like an Amazon box, but a little different inside. I forgot what I got because I ordered it a while ago. I got 5 items. So comes with a card of Kim in a pool or something. And this, on the back, it's got tips and tricks. KKW Beauty Body Collection tips and tricks. So there's body foundation, body shimmer, and loose shimmer powder for body and face. So I'm not sure which ones I got. I know I got the brush. This is the body brush, which I'm really actually excited to try because I feel like it really looks like, from her Instagram posts and everything, it really looks like it's going to help put everything on. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Here we go. I like it. Oh, it's super soft, really soft. My hands are a little sticky. I put some, yeah, super soft. Really, really nice. I almost want to, I kind of wish I ordered 2 of these. I might order another one. So here's the brush. Oh, I got a puff from her because I really like, I think this puff has the little handle on it where you can actually hold it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's so cute. A little strap right here, so you can hold it like this on your skin when you're like doing your face. You're doing your face, or you can hold it. You don't have to hold the whole thing. You can just pat it and then have it attached to your fingers. So I really like that because I have a lot of puffs that came in my other makeup kit with no strap, so you can't really hold them. So it's really soft too, actually, very soft, like velvety. So definitely liking this too. There's the body shimmer, body foundation, skin perfecting body foundation, and that says KKW Beauty on the box too. So body foundation, body shimmer, which is in the same kind of box. And I got the shimmer powder for the face and body. So, alrighty. And so I'm going to take them out, move the box, move our packaging, and I'm going to kind of go in, or try to go in order. So here's our brush, here's our little puff, here's our tips. Body foundation. Oh, I know she has different shades, and this is the shade tan. I wanted to get the lighter shade, but they were sold out. So hopefully this shade will not be too dark for me, because it was the lightest shade they had left on the website. They sold out really fast. So this is what the bottle looks like. Kind of looks like a little shampoo bottle. Skin Perfecting Body Foundation Tan. Made in USA. And that's really all it says. It's a 0.4 ounce bottle. So I'm gonna open them all first, and then I'm gonna actually try them a little bit on my legs. because I have a cat scratch that I want to cover up. This is the Body Shimmer in the shade Pearl. I got the Pearl shade. I think she has 3 different shades or a couple different shades. So I got the Pearl shade because I liked the lighter shade. I'm trying to open it without ruining my nails. Okay, and they look exactly the same actually. So you have to read the label. Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer Pearl. Yeah, so they look exactly the same, the bottles. And they're the same size. 0.4 ounces. And shimmer powder for face and body. 0.49 ounces. Also in Pearl. So I got the Pearl colors. She has all shades from light to very dark. So she has a pretty good range of shades for different skin tones and skin colors. Ooh, this one looks really pretty actually. Here we go. This is the top. It feels like it's loose. There we go. So also says KKW Beauty. Not sure if you can see that. I don't know where to show it. There we go. I think it's actually upside down. Okay. There we go. And this is what the side looks like. Shimmer powder for face and body. Pearl. Right there. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's got a little, ooh, so that actually looks really pretty. Let me see if I can just gonna do a light dusting on my hand. Look at that. Yeah, so you know what? I'm going to just quickly do my hands real quick with the body foundation. Kind of what I saw them do. Ooh. Tan is pretty dark, so I'm going to use the brush. Just brush it in. Whoa, okay. Tan is really dark for me. Kind of thought it would be. I kind of thought it would be a little bit dark, but I think once I brush it in all the way, actually it will not look that as dark. I have another one that I do that with, and it looks super dark when I put it on, and then I actually brush it in, and it's not that dark at all. I mean, it's dark, but there. Okay. That was a little scary at first, but look, that's actually not bad. I know it says to be careful around your ankles, knees, and elbows. Use sparingly around ankles, knees, and elbows. So this is actually my hand. So not too bad. It has a little, it looks like it has a little shimmer to it anyway. So that's the body foundation. So here you can see the difference in my hands. Wow. So that is a difference for sure. So I'm gonna quickly do my other hand. Okay, gotta really use a firm hand to brush it in. Let's see how we're doing there. Oh, look at that. I think they need a little more brushing around the fingernails. Get it all everywhere. Full coverage of the fingernails and the fingers. So there we go. So this is the Body Shimmer Pearl, and then there's the powder. So I think you use them all together, like in order. We are going to enhance the skin on top of the body makeup. Let's see what this color looks like. So this is much lighter. Yeah, I'm actually gonna do, well, I'm gonna just take the brush and go on top of it. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is actually really pretty. I'm a fan of sparkly, light, not so much glitter, but sparkle and shimmer, so I like the shimmer. I'm a fan of shimmer. So this is actually really nice too. Actually, so I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but this is with the body foundation and the shimmer, and this is just the body foundation alone. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit, and this is the shade Pearl. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on this side just so I match. I'm going to my wedding today, and I think this is gonna look gorgeous. You can definitely see it when you put it on. You can definitely see the shimmer. I want to say brighter, but very glowy, very shimmery. Really, really pretty. Put the excess on my arm. Yeah, so now they're both have body foundation and both have shimmer. I'm gonna try to get closer and see how it looks. Last but not least, here's the Body Shimmer, Loose Shimmer Powder for face and body. So you can put this on your face. Apply loose shimmer powder on your face or body to achieve your desired glow. You can wear it alone or layer it on top of body makeup or liquid body shimmer. Apply with the body brush or the KKW puff. So I'm going to practice using the puff since I use the brush. I actually really like this brush. But I've seen other brushes similar to this, similar shape. I want to say in the Real Techniques brushes and maybe the Echo Tools also has a brush that's similar to this shape and might be a little bit more affordable, not as pricey. I don't remember how much this was, but I will double check it and link it in the description box below. So my little handle, I got a little bit on there, and here's our test. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, just patting. This is the like wow factor. This adds a lot more, even more shimmer than the liquid body shimmer. This is the powder, loose powder. So all off there. And here's a comparison. Again, side by side. Ooh. It looks the same on camera, but it looks a little more different in person. Shake it up. Get a little more on here and finish up. Give us a glow. Look at that, so you can really see that. You can see the patterns, the square patterns on it. Probably overdoing it here. a little bit, but this is more for demonstration purposes than anything. And there we go. Oh my gosh. So you get to see the transformation, the before and after. So this is the color tan, and yeah, I feel like I kind of felt like it was too dark when I first ordered it, but it was the lightest one left. I'm actually really liking it. Yeah, so it does give you that tan glow, and you could tell how white my hands were before. So I think this is great for summer, going out, going to a wedding, going to the pool if you're not going to swim. I believe it does not have sunscreen in it though, so it's really just more of like a makeup. It's more of like a body makeup, and she's calling it the Body Foundation. Just like we put the foundation on our face, we're putting it on our body now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see anything else. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will link all of these products that I got down below in the description box, as well as the website, and a link to my Poshmark closet, so you can get $5 off on your first purchase with the code SuzazzleDazzle. So I will also link that in the bottom. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!